Hi, welcome to the channel. I am Dean Rodvera, and in this video, I'll give you 100 tips on becoming a new member of the bar. Hi, welcome back. In this video, there will be tips number 16 to 20. Tip number 16. You're a lawyer, maybe you're already starting earning, or maybe you saved up after law school. Nevertheless, please try to get a high-speed broadband internet at home. Face it, you will work at home, whether for the firm, for a company, or for yourself. With that, you will need to do research at home and probably even download large amounts of files. Faster internet would means better productivity, more efficiency, and technically, you work faster. It will be a standard practice to download, maybe from work or from clients, large PDF files, large photos, even large scan documents. So please have high-speed internet at home. Tip number 17. I know it's old-fashioned, but it's still effective. Print business cards. You can even use those high-tech ones wherein you have a business card and you tap it on maybe somebody's phone, iPhone, or maybe an Android, and the contacts will be on that person's phone. It's that quick. I've seen it happen on my phone. Make sure it's the modern business card. Maybe there's a QR code, your name, your address, business address, a mobile number, and an email address. Make the card simple, but the information is big enough so that any person who reads it doesn't have to use reading glasses. Tip number 18. Go to your storage area, your desk, even your high school desk or college desks, and look for all the business cards you've collected all these years. Collect them, sort them by name or maybe by company. Remember, those people gave you their business cards or you asked for them. Update them. Give them a short message, a short text, or even an email to say, hey, I'm a brand new lawyer. I'd just like to tell you that I passed the bar exam. Remember, in that message, you don't have to hard sell. Don't hard sell for business or referrals. Just say, hey, I'm a new lawyer. I'd like to say thank you. And if that person supported you in any way, be sure to thank them. Tip number 19. Get an electronic wallet and get it verified, such as GCash, Maya, Video Pay. If you're from abroad, maybe Venmo or Apple Pay. And if you're in Asia, maybe Alipay. It's not about sounding modern, but it's about being up to date. Because sometimes it's easier to collect through these things. Most people can transfer from bank to their GCash or straight from their bank to your GCash. And it's an easy way to collect. And you gotta face it, guys. Being a lawyer is a profession, a noble one, but it is also a business. You need to have revenue to be a lawyer. There is no HMO for lawyers. Tip number 20. Get or open a separate bank account for your legal fees or your revenue. Sometimes if you're big enough, you can have a separate account for monies of clients that you keep in trust. Now, you need to keep personal money and lawyer fees money separate. That's how you can keep a good accounting of yourself or the money that you have, and you don't mingle the cash, and you won't be accused of maybe embezzlement or maybe siphoning off the books. This is going to give you a little security, and you will know effectively how much you're earning or losing each month. Hi, please do me a favor and smash that like button. It'll help me a lot and it will trigger the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you don't, my dog will eat this exam booklet and that student has to repeat his final exam again.